Hi, my name is Angelo Vallillo. Today I'm going to be showing you some easy steps to create fuzzy logic using the new Sebastian products, Erupt Tech and Resin Tech. Step 1. Prep the hair with Erupt Tech from Sebastian Professional to give great volume and texture. Step 2. Starting at the back of the head, take horizontal sections, spraying on style with knife to help protect the hair from heat and to aid in styling. Step 3. Using a crimper, crimp each section of the hair. Step 4. Take a pea-sized amount of Erupt Tech, spread it into the palms of your hands. This will help with distribution. This will give amazing texture and give fantastic volume. Step 5. Fix the look with zero gravity hairspray for dry, brushable, lightweight control.